So the last step of installing the wings on your bridge is to install the diagonal supports. That'll help them stay up and down. You see how it jiggles right here? So we'll install a diagonal, that'll stiffen that up. So this bracket is going to install on the existing bolt of this seam piece like this. So we're going to take the nut off, we're going to put the bracket on. And you want to make sure you use the right bolt here. It's the bolt that's lined up with your upright. If you use the other one over here, you can be off by about 6 inches and it's not going to fit when you try and put the diagonal in. So make sure you're using the bolt that's lined up with your upright. So we'll take off that nut and put the bracket on. Put it on, facing that way so it's lined up with the upright. We'll put the nut right back on it. And we can tighten this nut right away. Now when you're tightening, try and keep this bracket parallel to the bridge. You don't want it swinging too far side to side. Just keep it parallel to the bridge.